How to fix Bosch Boiler CF error code is a comprehensive guide to understanding and resolving the common issue in Bosch boilers. The CF error code indicates a faulty fan or a problem with the fan circuit. To fix the error, start by checking the fan for any blockages or debris. Ensure the fan is clean and free from dust, as this can prevent it from working correctly. Next, inspect the fan circuit for any signs of damage or wear. Check the wiring and connections for any loose or corroded parts. If you find any damage, replace the faulty components to restore the fan circuit. It is also essential to check the boiler's ventilation system to ensure it is not blocked or restricted. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace the fan or the fan control board. Before attempting any repairs, ensure you have switched off the boiler and allowed it to cool down. It is also recommended to consult the user manual or contact a professional if you are not familiar with the repair process. Causes of the CF error code include a faulty fan, blocked ventilation, and issues with the fan circuit. Solutions include cleaning the fan, checking and replacing the fan circuit components, and ensuring the ventilation system is clear. Regular maintenance can help prevent the error from occurring in the first place. Best practices include scheduling annual boiler servicing, checking the fan and ventilation system regularly, and ensuring the boiler is installed and maintained according to the manufacturer's instructions. By following these steps and tips, you can resolve the Bosch Boiler CF error code and ensure your boiler is working efficiently and safely. Remember to always prioritize your safety and the safety of others when working with electrical and gas appliances.